3D printing is actually a wildly innovative new area. What 3D printing does is it allows you, layer by layer, to build a 3D object, usually by melting plastic. They call it additive manufacturing. You can actually download 3D models to your own desktop and print them, manufacture it at home on your own. This is an example of a replacement jaw for a human body that was made with a 3D printer. And it's not just limited to the desktop. This is a company that's printing entire buildings. So that thing, that's a big 3D printer, that big crane, and it moves back and forth, and it pours down a combination of concrete and plastic chips, and they can build an entire building in about 6 weeks.